Every now and then, you'll find yourself live streaming in a situation in which you can't place a microphone on the officiant, priest, or rabbi, and can't get closer to the action, and the sound system is too far to help you get the job done. How do you deal with something like that? The first step would be to get an audio mixer. It would allow you to connect two audio sources while balancing both inputs during the live stream. You could connect a wireless mic, such as Rode Wireless Go 2, to one input, and then a shotgun mic or another set of wireless mics on the second one. A setup like this enables you to place the wireless transmitter close to the person doing the talking and then point the shotgun mic to capture the speakers from the sound system. The same result could be achieved by using wireless transmitter in front of the speaker at a safe distance to prevent peaking. One more thing you would need to make it work is a pair of headphones to monitor the audio. This setup might sound a bit too complex, but it's actually pretty easy to manage and very affordable too.